Today we're installing our universal bolt-on lockbox, perfect for securing your container in minutes. First, download and print the template from our website. Tape it to the container door so the locking eye cutout is around 5 mm from the rubber door seal. Drill a pilot hole at each marked center point. Keep the drill straight to pass through both the front plate and the inner box section. Repeat this process, stepping up the drill bit size gradually until each hole is 18 mm front and back. Line up both halves of the lockbox. Add the backing plate, washer and nut and hand tighten. Shut the doors to check alignment. Then when satisfied, tighten fully with a 24 mm spanner. That's it. Your bolt-on lockbox is ready to protect your container. Pair it with one of our universal container locks for maximum security. Don't forget to check out our full range of container parts, accessories and security products, all designed to make your container work harder for you. Visit us at universal-containers.com. See you again.